Easy chicken fajita soup. This sluggish cooker fajita soup produces a reassuring and well-balanced meal that's loaded with taste and a tip of spice. Getting made with work for the day just to understand that supper has actually ended up cooking and is prepared to serve. The majority have extremely little prep work included. You actually put whatever in, turn the sluggish cooker on and let it work its magic. It's generally all the components you normally utilize for fajitas, simply a bit more liquid to make it into a soup. Click the link in description for recipe. After sluggish cooking for numerous hours, the chicken gets tender, the peppers soften and the broth establishes a robust, hot taste. Share this video.